Okay, another week in politics and another assault on our Constitution. Well, as always, there's a little bit to unravel here. Just this week, President Trump signed an executive order directing the Justice Department to prosecute people who burn American flags. By the way, please don't burn or desecrate the American flag. Promising 1 year in jail, no early exits, no nothing for flag burners. The problem? Well, this directly challenges a foundational Supreme Court decision that does protect flag burning as free speech. In the 1989 case Texas versus Johnson, flag burning as political protest was ruled to be protected First Amendment speech. The court ruled 5-4 that burning the American flag constitutes legitimate political expression protected by the First Amendment. Notably, this wasn't just a liberal decision. The 5-justice majority included the frequent swing vote of Justice Kennedy and the strident conservative Justice Scalia. Justice Brennan wrote for the majority. If there is a bedrock principle underlying the First Amendment, it is that the government may not prohibit the expression of an idea simply because society finds the idea itself offensive or disagreeable. Trump's order tries to sidestep Texas v. Johnson by arguing that flag burning constitutes fighting words or is likely to incite imminent lawless action. However, legal experts, they're just not buying it. President Trump may believe he has the power to revise the First Amendment with the stroke of a pen, but he doesn't, said the Foundation for Individual Rights and Expression. The imminent lawless action standard does come from another Supreme Court case and requires very specific circumstances, not just general offense or even anger. And here's what makes this particularly striking. The late conservative Justice Scalia, who Trump honored as one of the best of all time, told CNN in 2012 that if I were king, I would not allow people to go around burning the American flag. However, we have a First Amendment, which says that the right of free speech shall not be abridged, and it is addressed in particular to speech critical of the government. Trump's order essentially asks prosecutors to find creative ways around clear constitutional protections. While presidents can issue executive orders, they cannot override Supreme Court interpretations of the Constitution. Flag burning as a form of political protest, as offensive as it is protected by the First Amendment. That's nothing new. The order appears designed to force courts to revisit the issue, but constitutional law rarely changes based on executive displeasure with established precedent. Now, the question is, was this order signed perhaps for other reasons? These reasons could be the administration wants the Johnson case revisited, or is this order signed for other political reasons? Well, who knows? But for now, the First Amendment protects unpopular speech, government criticism, and yes, even for those who choose, regrettably, to burn the American flag.